21 days, 21 challenges for your betterment. Today is day 12 of our program. Today's challenge is to do Tadasana. Tadasana is a kind of yogasana. At least for 1 minute you can start with, and then you can increase the time. The biggest benefit of Tadasana is that it corrects your posture. It improves your balance and makes the spine strong. It increases flexibility of ankle, thighs and joints. It can tone your hips and abdomen, control the muscular movements. It increases height in formative age. It strengthens the nervous, respiratory, and digestive functions. Overall, it balances your state of body and consciousness. One thing I want to tell you, those who are having the medical problems for performing particular yogasanas, then please take advice of your doctor before starting with this challenge. For further challenges, just subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. And for further surprises, have a look at description box. See you tomorrow.